Welcome back to another Magical Journey episode. I'm your host Logan, and today we're looking at a VLOGPocket 2, which is great for sports. Obviously you see the snowboarder there, but it's a generic one, so how good could it be? We shall see. So pretty interesting, I just noticed that this does object tracking with the original camera control. Now I'm pretty sure that DJI on their Osmo Mobile 3 uses a proprietary camera, at least on Android, but be interested to see how that goes on iOS. So you got your manual quick start guide, all your different QR codes. All right, let's do it. So pretty nice, just looking at it. Looks high-end, kind of like a hunter, sniper, rifle, you know, sunk your battleship kind of situation. Nice khaki bag. I cannot open you. You were stuck. Oh, okay. I was just weak. All right, cool. What do you got there? Oh, tripod. Or helicopter, not sure. Probably a tripod. USB-C, nicely done. We shall twist like we did last summer. Okay. All right, whoa. What do you got there? Okay. Both sides. And you probably got to turn it on because it's got to balance itself, right? It's active. All right. All right, so I'm quite daft after all, but you have to unlock here, you have to unlock here, and you have to unlock. Oh, it doesn't like when I'm too forceful with it, eh? It's like, hey, seriously? Come on. What are you trying to do, buddy? You're off to a good start, aren't you? Essentially, I had to make sure that everything was unlocked. So here, that's kind of locked down, so it's not wiggling around. It follows this train, right? So if this is like this, it obviously doesn't follow that train or that lineup. Then you have to unlock it here on this guy here, because if it's locked in, it's like that, right? So unlock it there. This guy here, unlock as well. Then once you have that, then you kind of put it flat, or flat enough to turn it on. And then it starts looking around like a robot, like it's self-aware. You can kind of look around and you're like, hey, what are you doing over there? It's like a security cam. Who's touching my butt? Who's playing with my buttons? McDonald's. Yeah. Yeah. All right, so I'm done playing with my robot. So, but it's weird, like if I flip it around, it has some weird issues. Yeah, so I guess one downside is like as soon as you flip it upside down, it like completely forgets who it is. So far, no go. But if it's flat, you know, seems to work okay. It's pretty cool though, actually. The fact that it's kind of nice, actually, the fact that it has the shoehorn though, that you could put it on any tripod and then have it like follow you around, could be super good for filming extreme sports. For those of you that follow my channel, yes sir. So yeah. Oh, also gets a little aggressive with me as soon as I flip it over. He does not like that. All right, so let's hook up my phone to it, see if it'll follow me around. So here I am playing around with the controls, really smooth and robotic. Kind of feels like the Matrix or a security camera. Yeah, kind of nice. Let's try out the active track next. So here I have it tracking my ring. Go pretty quick. Get it out of here and come back. Take it away for a bit. That's pretty cool. Come back. Yep, and then it's gone. So overall, it's okay. You have to use the app, and that part is pretty annoying. And when it starts not remembering who it is. So you have to use the app to have the follow mode, and just like the DJI, the follow mode doesn't work great if it's off camera for too long. It kind of forgets that. But just to have this on a tripod and being able to tilt it around without moving your tripod could be really good. It is pretty nice overall, but for 129 American dollars, I don't think I can recommend a generic gimbal like the VLOGPocket 2. However, I don't know, maybe after updating the firmware it could be better. Well, I hope you guys liked that quick look unboxing review, and I hope you have a great day.